are you ready to make your holiday chocolate-covered peppermint spoon with Kira and Savannah? Well, the first thing you need to do is take out the peppermint spoons and the chocolates from your box. Empty the chocolates into a small microwavable dish and microwave them for 20 to 30 seconds. That should be enough for you to pull them out and stir, and your chocolate should be nice and melted and smooth. Next, you're going to take your peppermint spoon and coat it in the chocolate. Make sure you get it all the way around, and then you're going to want to lay it on a piece of parchment paper or even a silicone baking sheet. Now, while the chocolate is still wet, that's when you're going to want to put the decorations on. You can put the candy eyeballs, a nose, a scarf, any of the candies that you have in your box that you want to use to decorate your snowman will be perfect. Another way to make your spoon festive is by adding a snowman to it. You can do this with your little miniature marshmallows and the candies that are included in the box. Use your toothpick in the melted chocolate to make eyeballs and a nose and buttons down the front. And you can also take some of the flavored and colorful taffy, pinch it between your fingers, and you can use that to make a scarf if you'd like. Another thing you can do is take a piece of your Tootsie Roll, flatten a little disc, and then put another little lump on top and flatten that, and you can make a snowman hat for your snowman. There are a ton of creative ways that you can decorate your Christmas spoons, but the important thing is that you have a lot of fun doing it. Take a picture and post it on our Facebook page so we can see what you're making. And don't forget to like and share. Thanks.